Some thinking she nice. She love the way that I eat it with ice. She be talking about shit that I did in my. How she know about shit that I did in my mic? Still bending with pipes. She be telling me chill while they come stay the night. I was doing her wrong. She was doing me right. When I found her, she cheated. I coated with Sprite. Shot me weak. Shot me hurt. I was making them love songs like I was dirt. You cheat, I cheat. But you did it worse. Turned over your low. You was never at work. Like I know I wasn't bugging. I kept a piece sat back. I was stuck. I was deep in my thoughts. Like who she fucking. Like who was the nigga she tugging? Shit got cold. I caught a fever. Teenage love. Justin Selena. Like we was laughing like Martin and Gina. Pussy was so I caught a Katrina. No Chris on baby.
Good, dude.
It's good, little bro.
He skipped you?
Fuck. You talking like that? Yo, Habibi. Yo.
Nigga look like Tony right.
I look at who?
What up? Yeah, I know.
Oh, yo, you on stream? Alright. Yo. Yo, China.
What the fuck does that even mean?
Are you really 20 years old?
You old China.
She's not 20 years old. Yo. Yo, wait, in Washington, right? Let me ask you something, like,
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
what's the good food spots in Washington? Yo, what the yo?
The spot one. This was like the Indian one's rich.
I got bands, yeah, I got moms. I got bands, yeah, for my clothes. I got friends, yeah, what they fuck.
Just though, and start laughing.
I'm scared, my
My
nigga.
teeth look perfect. Look.
Nah, your teeth. Nah, I'm scared. What the fuck? What is that? Yo.
I'm
Yo.
just start being weird on here, no shade. I'm just start being weird.
Nah, you schedule. That is schedule. Word of my mother. That.
Hit no video just because of that. This nigga is retarded.
That is schedule. This nigga think he's bad as Bunny.
Fuck you, bro.
Yo. What's good with you, gang? You good? I don't know why, bro. But what is that, gang? Nah, niggas be wildin' with this things, bro. Definitely related to IzzyTube. Y'all would know what IzzyTube is, shot. You should not be on this app. My mother. This nigga look like Sleepy Hollow. You really from Indiana? Yo. Yo, Wisconsin? Let me ask you a question. Do not skip me. Do not skip me. At Wisconsin, yo. My nigga, I don't want to see you, gang. I'm not here. I'm not here for that. You're not here for that, nigga. Yep. The fuck? This bitch look like Waka Flocka. The fuck? Shit I used to stand? Yo. I don't care, bro. Yo. Let me ask y'all something. What? Yo, let me ask y'all. Yo. I gotta stop doing this shit, bro. Real shit. I don't speak the shit y'all speak. I don't know what y'all niggas speaking. That ass. Yo, let me ask you that. That's not my name. That's not my name. Yo, let me ask you something. Yo, rate me 1 through 10.
I'm not your trash can.
What?
I'm not feeling that. I'm not feeling that shooting. I'm not feeling that shit, bro. I'm not feeling that. I don't like it, bro. I'm not.
Alright, yo, these like baby. What you just called me, gang?
Fuck up, black ass nigga.
Suck my dick. I don't play that. What the fuck is you talking about? Niggas be wildin' on this side. Dead ass. Niggas be bugging. Skip you too. I don't give a fuck if you wasn't fucking.
What?
Yo, you look good. How old are you? Yo, you look good. Yo, app. Keep playing with niggas on this app. Y'all niggas scared. Yo, Arizona, they got good food spots. Yo, rate me 1 through 10 though. Rate me 1 through 10 though.
Like,
Bitch, she look like a live fish. Word of my mother. Pause. Yo, you really 21? I mean, I said 21. You really? I will deck you. If you fight like that, you're gonna get your ass whooped. Word to bro. You're gonna get your ass whooped. I already know that's how you fight. That's how mooks fight too, Chad. Mooks do shit like this. Getting your ass whooped. Look at his hand line. Nah, you really got a big ass head, bro. Real shit. Nah, he look like he in jail again. Y'all niggas is goofies. Fuck. Man, I seen you when I was on my PC game. I don't want to see you again, bro. What the fuck? You're Gizzle. You're dumb Gizzle. Your man's is laying down, you're next to his piece. Nah, niggas. Yo. Nah. Wait, Taylor, you really 24? Can I see your face? What that means, you still can look good. Like, what that means. You ever been to New York? How was your experience out here? That's good. Yo, you gonna move out here? Alright, so how's it like in Cali?
it's good. But I just want to look at it.
Yeah, you gotta come out here. When you come out here, you gotta let me know. Feel me? You come out here.
Of course.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
He's good.
In the heat of battle, he don't miss.
No.
In the heat of controversy, he don't miss.
No.
Like, can I get your number, IG or something? B-Dot, yeah, that's the name. I'm from New York. I'm from the Bronx. Now, what's up, gang? Yo, bro, stop. Chill, gang. It's too much. Yo. Chill, gang. Chill. It's 11:24. Stop that shit, bro. Please. Calm down, bro. Be yourself, my nigga. Fuck.
I know I can't lie. When I'm bowling on court, I'm a high. I'm the runny, still flick on the Mac. If you talking about that, best leave you a pack. AJ shot, tell him get back. That nigga ran from the gap. That little nigga is fast. Pop it, dodge. Shit made me laugh. Smoking a rod, die in the cab. Leaky, mixed with the black.
Nah, chat. Watch him be talking.
Nigga got tired. We had him running like flies. 6'2", 6'4" on the dash. I call him Millie, like where they at, little niggas is kids. I got to high best leave get hit when I was spinning through college and told my stick. Shall we beat the mids, fresh EK, I shit got a kick. 3 that low to my slip, but I'm with a rip, trying to flick on the rip. Better invest in the grip, we trying to take a G6 off the list. I want the bitch get lit, Eddie, Cardi, Stop, strip. Maybe the case is a jet. Bullshit for shot, what the fuck is it? Like bullshit for shot, what the fuck is a glitch? I'ma hang out the window, catch fast and he hit.